So first time out with the Graco Ultramax, which I must go and get cleaned. Interesting. I mean, just unbelievable amounts of overspray. I don't know how. I have no idea how you use this in somebody's home. You must mask everything down. Look at this. I mean, I know it's right behind there. All this stuff's covered. And I think that it kicks out an awful lot of paint. This is just what I've scraped off this background here. There must be another litre there. I don't know if it's me doing this wrong or if this is normal. It's just unbelievable. I can't believe that's right. Yeah. So having been a little bit down yesterday about the amount of overspray I was getting with this Graco, I've had a chat to a couple of people. One of the guys from the Festival Talk group who I bought the machine from gave me a quick call, and it transpires. I didn't actually check this, but the machine I'd read, I thought, ships with a particular tip size, and in fact it comes with two, and it's the bigger one that's fitted, and I was using that one when I should have fitted the smaller one. There's also a couple of small parts in there which I didn't really understand what they were, if they needed to be changed every time you change the tip or whatever. So I just didn't do it, and in my haste, my excitement to get everything done. Anyway, in the cold, harsh light of morning, obviously there's still a bit of mess to clean up, but the finish on this, I've just denibbed everything, and the finish on this stuff is absolutely fantastic. It's really, really lovely, far, far better than I could get with a roller, and this is just primer. So I'm going to continue with this. I will need to finish these with a roller because it's got to match something else that's already there. But I'll do another. I'll do the first coat of eggshell with the sprayer, and we'll see how we do. We'll see how we get on. That's better. I need to keep that distance away from the material. It's supposed to be 12 inches, 300 mil away, and the temptation is to get it really close and to lay too much paint on at once as well. So keeping your distance and several thin layers. So everything is dry. Great thing about spraying, everything dries really fast because it's such a thin layer of paint. The finish is lovely on this, really, really nice. It's only had a single coat of primer and then one top coat of eggshell, but it's come up beautifully. The only other sort of niggle with it is I've still got this, even on the lowest setting on the sprayer, you still get a lot of paint in the air, and when it settles to a sort of dry, dusty kind of nastiness on everything. Basically, it was all over the floor. It's on all the benches. So I've still got sort of misgivings about using this in somebody's house, but overall, the actual finish is fantastic. Really, really pleased with it, and the amount of paint I used was much, much better. Did this lot in a litre. So yeah, very good, very impressed. It can only get better from here, I think. But that's it, really. Quick whistle-stop vlog-style episode on the paint sprayer, Graco Ultramax, and I'll have a proper video proper review video out on that once I've managed to put a few more litres through it. But that's it for now. I'll see you again soon. Bye.